Make a great choice today with the 2025 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, moonroof, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.